was looking for tailor this morning, couldn't find any. So just thinking maybe I could find some busting fish or kingies or something. So I bought these actually to catch some snapper on the troll, which I think I've managed a couple of tiny ones, but they seem to be decent. So I caught one earlier, but I forgot to put a camera back in the camera. So yeah, maybe. Just what I was saying, there's no tailor about. Wind that back. So you can give them a look. That's the fish, but he won't let go of the net. I have to put him back in the water. See if I can get him. There he goes. Look at the size of this thing. Outside of it now is maritime ground. So it's not just 100 metres of the canal. Came off. There's a fish on there, came off.
they
Yeah.
do have authority in there as well.
Yeah.
And see what they said about it. Yeah, okay, we'll see what happens. But just as long as you know, I'll send you in the mail. On maritime, there's a chart. It's
Yeah.
chart 9F.
Yeah.
That outlines the restricted zones.
Okay.
So you'll know for the future.
Yeah.
And they get, like I said, when there's shipping movements in here and you're in there, they get, because there's protests in there and sometimes so they get a bit shirty
So
sometimes.
that's what like I was out there and I think the pilot boat said, you know, they like on the Molyneux Point.
Yeah.
And then
Were you on the inside near the bulk liquid berths in Molyneux Point, or?
no, well only when I was going out and then that guy told me to go out.
Yeah.
So I did, but like, I went all the way to the end of the point.
So when, just sorry to interrupt, when he told you to go out, you didn't refuse that, did you?
No, I just started going out.
And because of the southerly, it took you a while.
And I had the fish so the tangle, so
A lot was going on, was it?
yeah.
That's
So,
all right.
yeah, but on the way back, around the corner now,
Yeah.
was coming around. The pilot on told me it was going to turn, so you know I stopped and then
Okay.
let it pass and all that.
Yeah, sweet.
But what I didn't know was they
restricted
needed all
zone.
that
Yeah,
space, and
okay.
I was supposed to be further out.
Yeah, sweet.
So I got, you know, in the end, because it's such a big boat, I've got to be close when I shoot. I need to get out here.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Yeah, man. Like I said, technically, if you're fishing in these waters, you should know what's restricted and what's not.
Yeah.
It's up to you.
Yeah.
As the person on the vessel to know that. But I'll send you is that your updated address on the
Yeah.
license set? I'll send you a map so you can realise that and stuff like that. That's always pretty. Alright, sweet, Roger. Yeah, if you just probably stay on this side of the channel. See how you got those green starboard markers
Yeah,
all on
stay there, yeah.
That indicates the restricted area. So
Okay.
if you try and go on the other side of them,
Yep.
you'll be all good, man. Okay, how much longer are you going to stay up for today?
I've had it with the southerly.
Wind's
Yeah.
pretty horrendous,
Yeah.
Where do you put in at? Just over there?
Yeah, just
I see you going
over
back
it.
now, are you?
Yeah.
Alright, so easy. Well, have a nice day.
Alright, cheers.
See ya.
Right. Ran into the border police. Thanks, guys. That's the water police. They're pretty cool. Port Authority were pretty cool. Got in their way today. Won't be doing that again. Just hooked up again. Might just be a snag. Picked up something. It's not fighting. Just wait. Decent flatfish. Not bad, not bad. There we go. Okay, I don't think I really want to do that again. Yeah, so I thought the exclusion zone around the port was 100 meters from the wharves, and it turns out that it's much bigger than that. So that whole section around Brotherston Dock, probably between Molyneux Point and the point across from the runway, that's all out of bounds. So got pinged for that. Luckily they didn't find me. So if you're ever doing that, yeah, just stay outside the marker buoys and you'll be fine. Yeah, lesson learned. On the bright side, I did pick up a bit of a new pattern trolling deep divers for one Bonnie, a couple Taylor, and the flathead and this one. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the vid. It's a bit of a different one. Give us a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Pangler out.